and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we're looking at a Moto Guzzi V50 II, and it's a twin. Really lovely condition, as you can see overall. There's a few little things that aren't original on it, like the rear Öhlins upgraded shocks and the indicators on her as well, but apart from that, pretty good overall. Minor signs of little bits of aging on it, but the color is just beautiful. As you can see, it really looks good in this light here. Beautiful looking bike. I think everyone loves the 1980s Moto Guzzi, the heyday of Moto Guzzi. Really beautiful little thing. Light enough as well. You can see in there, and shaft driven for 1980 is pretty advanced. Twin exhausts on the rear here also. But we're going over condition wise. Actually, the front tire here, it's had a lot of work done to it actually, which I'll go over now, which was new fuel, carbs looked at, brakes looked at. It's had a brand new battery put in it, and it's just gone a light kind of recommissioning to get it back up on the road and ready for someone to take out and enjoy for the summer. So tank wise, you can see really lovely condition. There's a little, no, that's not a mark at all, it's just a bit of dust actually that got onto the bike. Tank is in really nice nick. The clocks you have a bit of damage on, there's crack here, and the keys here with the Moto Guzzi stamp on it. Seat in really nice condition. The 80s Moto Guzzi original plate, and you have the tax disc holder here. Side panels are looking really nice. The tank here on the right hand side is beautiful. Grips are original Moto Guzzi grips as well, which are nice to see. Mirrors are in nice nick also, and overall really nice. And for the price that we're looking for it, we're really not asking an awful lot for her. And to get a nice classic bike for the summer and this type of money and what this kind of looks like is I think a bit of a bargain on our end. But that's it for the walk around. Let's go for a spin on her. Okay, next up in the line is this beautiful Moto Guzzi V50, and I'm going to turn on the choke here, which is on the left hand side, turn the ignition on and start her up. Like that, starts right away like every Italian bike ever, said no one. But 1980 Moto Guzzi V50, really beautiful bike, running really nicely. I'm going to get her off the main stand here and just flick that up there, and maybe just turn that choke off now. And away we go. And a beautiful sound of a Moto Guzzi twin. Really lovely. Kind of get that vibration through the seat. And you can hear that sound. Now, I have no idea how to work the indicators or anything like that. Maybe I should have oh, hold on, that's them there. Good. Wait for these cars to come through. And away we go. Now please bear with me, it's my first time riding this bike now, so it seems to run very nicely. It started on the button, probably need to let it warm up slightly to get it to kind of idle nicely without the choke. Certainly sounds good anyway. And we'll turn on the indicator again. Oh. Okay, sorry, I just cut out there. So we'll cut back into the video now. I need to leave the choke on longer. I think I was just a bit over enthusiastic, thinking that I could just have basically no choke from absolute cold start on a bike that's just not really been ridden too much in the last few years, as well as only just recently being recommissioned. So, and I think I could probably might whack off the choke now. It seems to be going well. There we go. But yeah, really nice character to this bike. Running really nicely. Really nicely if you're not an absolute novice on the thing. Beautiful little bike. And the sound is just, it's so Moto Guzzi. You nearly know exactly what's coming down the road when you hear a noise like this. But I mean, for a 1980s bike, we're running and riding, up and going, electric start, you know, the odd cut out there because of just me being over enthusiastic about things. But just honestly, ideal little bike for the summer. Right time to buy a bike like this before the masses come out wanting something like this for little ride outs when the weather gets better and it's not so cold like today. Then I'm going to turn in left here again and get to the top of the road here and put it into neutral. There we are. Maybe I'll just flick on the choke there again to get it to idle nicely for us. Oh no, it's one of these spring-loaded front stands. But that's the Moto Guzzi front headlamp working, left indicator at the front working, left indicator at the rear brake light working, right indicator working at the rear and the front, neutral lights working like that. And hold on, let me just switch this off now. There we go. Idling nicely with the choke off now also. So there we are, Moto Guzzi V50 II. And if you haven't liked the video, please do leave a like. Let me just keep things going. Please do leave a like, comment and subscribe. If you love the noise of this, listen to this. That's some nice noise. I won't do too much or else I'll be getting the whole neighborhood out to me trying to kill me. But if you haven't liked the video, please do leave a like, comment and subscribe. And if you do want to reach out to us, our social medias are at Retro Bikes Dublin for Facebook and Instagram. And our official website is www.retrobikesdublin.com. Thanks for watching.